Simple Mehndi Designs 2025. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be exploring the latest simple Mehndi designs for 2025. Perfect for beginners, casual events, and festive occasions. So, grab your Mehndi cone and let's get started. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful Mehndi inspirations. Let's create magic with henna. Mehndi is an art that beautifully enhances the hands and feet with intricate patterns. And in 2025, simple Mehndi designs are becoming more elegant and easy to apply. These designs are perfect for beginners, casual occasions, and even those who love minimalistic yet stylish patterns. One of the most popular styles this year includes delicate floral patterns. Simple flowers connected with thin vines and dots create a graceful look that suits any occasion. These designs can be applied to the fingers and back of the hand, giving a classy and effortless appeal. Another trending design is the mandala pattern, a small circular motif in the center of the palm, surrounded by minimal details. Makes for a neat and elegant look. This design is ideal for those who prefer a subtle yet artistic touch. Finger Mehndi is also a top choice in 2025. Instead of covering the entire hand, artists are creating stylish designs that focus only on the fingers. Small leafy patterns, geometric shapes, and fine lines add a modern twist to traditional Mehndi. Arabic Mehndi continues to be a favorite with its bold, flowing strokes. Simple Arabic patterns with spaced-out elements give a classy and chic vibe. The beauty of this style is that it looks stunning even with fewer details. For those who love a contemporary touch, bracelet and ring-style Mehndi designs are trending. These designs wrap around the wrist like a delicate accessory and extend onto the fingers, making them perfect for a modern yet traditional look. Lastly, minimalist Mehndi with small motifs placed strategically on the hand or wrist is gaining popularity. Tiny hearts, stars, and abstract shapes add a trendy and youthful touch. With these simple Mehndi designs, you can achieve a stylish and elegant look effortlessly. Whether it's for a wedding, festival, or casual gathering, these patterns are easy to apply and look beautiful on any occasion. If you love these simple Mehndi designs, don't forget to try them out for your next special occasion. Whether you prefer floral patterns, mandalas, or trendy finger designs, there's something for everyone. Mehndi is not just an art, it's a beautiful way to express creativity and tradition. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing Mehndi designs and tips. Also, let us know in the comments which design was your favorite. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.